After cleaning, the seeds undergo cracking and dehulling processes. Cracking breaks the outer shell of the seeds without damaging the kernel inside. Dehulling machines then separate the hulls from the kernels, which helps in concentrating the oil content by discarding non-oily parts. The resulting kernels are then conditioned and flaked into thin slices. Flaking increases the surface area of the material. The actual oil extraction occurs either through mechanical pressing or solvent extraction. In mechanical pressing, screw presses apply pressure to squeeze out the oil from the flakes. This method is often used for cold-pressed oils where minimal heat is applied to preserve nutritional qualities. Solvent extraction, on the other hand, once extracted, the crude oil goes through several refining processes including dehulling, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization. These steps remove impurities like gums, free fatty acids, pigments, and odorless compounds, resulting in clear, odorless, and stable sunflower seed oil suitable for consumption. Finally, the refined oil is filtered, packed. Overall,